In the upper right, viewport shading options are up here, and there are 4 of them. And experiment with these so you can get used to it. So if I click on this one, and it tells you what it does. Wireframe. Okay, so that's wireframe. The next one over, if you just cursor over it, it'll show the solid shapes. The next one, the third one over, if you click on it, this one will show the materials. The materials that you've applied to the objects are visible. The last one, the rendered view, this will show the lights and shadows, etc. So like the, as you want the scene to be rendered, if you want to see it in your workspace here, click this last icon of the rendered method of display.